PHIO stock analysis, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Observing PHIO Pharmaceutical stock, it actually came down quite hard. It's 48% down, and this is how my chart looked like beforehand. Now, context, I have been in the markets for 4 years, spent thousands of courses, mentors, documented everything, and my idea on this trade was potentially taking it even higher. Now notice how I mentioned, and there was like even caps text here mentioning that I'm waiting, because unless the rules were met, there was no way that I was going to begin taking things up, and that's exactly what I mentioned. Open here, I mean pre-market would have already been obvious, but open there, and now looking at PHIO from a high time perspective, what's the likelihood of this thing continuing to deliver lower? I'm not even trying to be a hater or anything, but from what I've seen, in 98% of the time, it just continues and ends up exactly where it was just a few weeks ago, like in the 19th of December, lower. So again, this is just the bias and whatnot. I'm not pulling the trade here. I'm not taking any risks for the cause, purely because the price hasn't given me the rules yet, and this is not environments that I'm trading. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple, only way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.